Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create QR code for your Facebook page, right? So basically, you have to just go to the Facebook mobile application here, click on the three horizontal lines which is on the top right side corner, and basically just go to the page section here, and you have to select any of the page. So I want to share this page. Now click on the three dots, and here it will load for a very few seconds, and basically you can find the comic this page link here, right? So just click on the copy link. So the link has been copied, and after that just go to your Safari if you're using an iOS, and if you're using an Android, then just go to the Chrome browser, and here you have to type create QR code, right? And just hit the enter, and after that you can see this will be an online QR code generator. So you have to just enter the website, I mean the link which we have copied, and click on generate QR code, right? So you can see that our QR code has been created. You can just download it from here if you want to download a JPG, or here if you download it in the other format, right? And you can just change the template here. You can just do like this also. So yeah, this is pretty easy guys. So if you found this video really very interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.